Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to share your invitation into group chat on Instagram application. So you just need to open your Instagram application, and if you're in home section, you just need to open your DM sections, which is in the top right corner right here. There will be the two button, love and this one. You just need to go click this part to explore your DM. And now you just need to open your group chat that you have been created. If you want to invite someone into your group, you just need to go click this invitations link. And now you just need to choose either you want to send into Instagram DM, or you want to add this invitation link only by click copy it, or you can also explore another option to share the link by click this share. So here, let's just copy the link here, and after that we just need to send them with another application such as the Google Chat. You can also open the Google Chat here, and then open the chat rooms that you want to invite, and go click paste here and send. And now you just need to wait until your friends click the link and visit the group chat that you have been created. So that's the way how to get the invitation link to invite your friends into the group chat on Instagram. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and I'll see you for the next video.